every time when I'm in Palm Springs, I had to visit Sherman's Deli and Bakery, the famous Jewish deli. Today I'm here to pick up a couple cannolis. Look at that stuff. Hey, you have got cannolis?
No, we sold out of cannoli today. But we do have a cannoli cake.
What's that now?
It's basically a cannoli, but as a cake. It's made with powdered cream filling and chocolate chips, but moist cake.
No. It's too huge, you know, that's right. Give me that, whatever is on the bottom, that thing there.
This one here?
Yeah, Napoleon, yeah. That's this disaster. I came from Las Vegas for cannoli.
You drove that far for the cannolis?
Yeah, just I'm going to San Diego, so all right, bye-bye. So big disappointment. End up with the Napoleon instead of cannoli. Cannoli with pistachios. I mean, you put it in your mouth and you just melt. This is not a substitute. This is just wasted $7. For cannoli, are we lucky? So here's the masterpiece with your morning coffee or 5 o'clock tea, whatever you prefer. But you just have to taste this. It makes you melt. Yeah, baby. Yep.